Welcome back. It is Friday, the last day of Brad's truck build. Y'all just seen the other video, you know, hopefully we're just getting the motor set in, cam put in and everything like that. But you know, now we're gonna get it wired in. I got the main harness laid on. I gotta give its powers and triggers to the firewall, run the tranny harness down there. Frank's getting this old Firebird over here finished up. You ready? Good Friday?
It is gonna be a good Friday, but this thing,
nugget.
fire.
Yeah. So, and also, I want to take a sip of my tea. Beautiful tea here. Look at it. It's nice. Sip just straight air. I don't even know how it happened, but you know, let's hope that's not a lead to the rest of the day. I need it to be really good. We got a lot of crap to get done and a little bit of time to make it happen. So, with that being said, stay tuned. We're about to get this whole thing right here running, hopefully, and you know, we'll see. We'll do some wiring.
Here we go.
There she is. I got it all buttoned up. Got his intake on. All the wires are ran. I got to the wires are ran, they're not hooked up. So I go into the truck, hook up all the fuel pump stuff, all the triggers, place the screen. But the truck is sitting on all four. It's ready to go. So I got the exhaust hooked up. I got the speed sensor wired in because it was on the back of the transfer case. It's a four-wheel drive truck. And so the battery speedometer should work. And of course it'll be on the Holley dash as well. But a little bit of wiring here after lunch, and hopefully by 1 o'clock, 1:30 we'll have it done. I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to hear it. I know it's gonna sound really good. I got tools scattered everywhere. All the AC stuff's there. I suppose I get the throttle cable put on there too, I'm not sure. He brought me one for a Silverado. I hope it'll work. I think that's what he used last time. But yeah, it's just coming together. I'll probably shoot some of the wiring. Yeah, I can see that. Definitely going to film the first start. We can all hear it and hear how this cam sounds. So yeah, we'll be back in just a few moments. It'll be a few seconds for you guys, and it'll be about an hour for me. And we'll make this whole thing happen. Frank, you ready for lunch? What's wrong, man? He said he don't like them blue Pontiacs. But one thing about these older cars we deal with from time to time, when man, when they're ready to die, they're just ready to die. You know, ain't nothing we can do about it, but try to fix them, try to figure it out. But it's all these little gremlins that'll get mechanics the most, and Frank's figuring that out. And he's getting his first real taste of the, what does Glenn call them? The old booger bears. But all right, give us a little bit, and we'll be back, and we'll see some wiring. Alright, I got his old computer pulled out of the dash. So now I'm not sure where I'm going to mount this guy. I got to make sure I get the vacuum line run to it and everything. Got everything pulled into the truck. Let's see if she'll fit. Alright, we're going to go in the stock location with the computer. I run everything up through here, hook it all up, and then it should be very accessible. All the relays and fuses will be behind this. I like it. I think that'll work well. Alright, so pretty simple. There's a constant power. I've got run back. We'll go to the battery with it. This is for the trans control. You got your fuse for it and the relay for the transmission. Same thing with fuel pump and power and everything. Holley's real simple with the red and whites are always switch power, blacks are grounds. This gray has to be run over to your brake light switch or whatever you're going to use for the TCC disconnect. And it's real easy. I've got, let's see. These one second. I got these power wires run over to here, fuel pump control, and another battery voltage for the main harness. I'm gonna run here to the fuse box. Fuel pump relays here, so I'm gonna tag this into so it triggers a fuel pump just like it's supposed to. Then the intake looks nice on there. Yeah, I get some oil in it and get these few wires ran, and we'll be cranking this thing up, see how she goes. All right, everything's wired in. I gotta run the TCC disconnect, but right now I'm just gonna got it all tucked away nice. I'm gonna turn the key on. We're gonna set up the initial startup tune. SD cards in. All right. Got the TPS auto set up. We will. Into the 6.0. 900. Decent cam, 24x, 43 psi. OEM. No power adders. Oh, we still gotta do the internal wire. I gotta run the vacuum for that. Not drive by wire. Check the tire diameter. Let me get some measurements real quick. Hold on, guys. Alright, they were 32 inches. Ratio real quick. It's loading the tune. I don't have the throttle cap hooked up yet, so I am gonna have to do the TPS auto set by hand. Alright, there's that. Reboot. Come on, come on, come on. Loading. TPS auto start. Wizards. TPS auto set. Slowly press the pedal twice to the floor, wide open. It's just learning the range, and I don't have a throttle cable just yet, so we're gonna hand do it. There we go, that was twice. Should say, was successful. Hit next, bam, was successful, done. All right. Now let's go hook up the fuel pump thing real quick, and we'll see if we can't make it start. And here goes nothing. Ooh, them injectors are old. They are not happy about this. Yeah, all right. Back to the old drawing board here. I think I need to hook the IAT up for sure, but we're getting somewhere. All right, let's figure this out. All right, so we got an air intake temp sensor in there now. Let's see here what it's going to do. Need some more battery voltage. The gas that come out of this engine, the injectors, I really should have pulled them down and cleaned them because it smelled really stale. But I think once we get it going, we can kind of, it'll make it happen. And we're gonna see. Just keep plugging away at it. Hear this thing run today. Alright. I'll update you when I figure something out. Alright. Got the idle down a little bit. Back on 4 wheels. I got it charging. Hood's back on. I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. It's been real fun. I love installing the Holley systems and doing, you know, the 6.0 swaps of these trucks, these cars, anything, you know. This is my passion, is modifying, not necessarily daily maintenance, but I do work at a shop where a lot of that comes into play. So, you know, he'll be happy, you know, get it tuned and everything, you know, get a little more power out of it, get it tuned for the cam. It'll be good. I'll let him run. I gotta get the TCC light hooked up. I'll let him run this wherever he wants. AC is functional. Glove box is back in. I couldn't be happier. Oh, fun, cool thing. We're picking up a 13B this weekend, and might be putting it in the 240. I don't know. See how it looks when we get there. We'll leave it up to Nolan. All right, well, it's Monday. Brad couldn't make it Friday, so he should be here in a little bit. We got the truck all finalized up. Let me show you where I put the Holley dash real quick. That's where I put the Holley dash. I did retain his factory speedometer, so just kind of moved it over to the side. But hell, you know, she... Ooh, look. Hey, get a walk around to that, Frank. Let hear the exhaust in the back.
Well done, Dave.
I'm happy about it. So whenever he gets here, you know, we'll film him, let him check out the truck and everything, and that'll be, you know, the end of it until the next build.
We appreciate you for viewing, builders. Make sure to check the content. We don't do it for anyone. We do it for y'all. Remember that.
All right, here we are. Brad's here to pick up his truck. You happy? Yeah. I'm gonna give you that. That way it's yours. Let you guys see what just did little last minute things. Put the engine cover on it. Tilt it all up. You see, it looks a lot better with the engine cover on there. Yeah, this one's going to a happy home. Appreciate y'all sticking around and watching the journey with us, you know, checking out the build. We got it done. Something he's wanted to do for a long time. Alright. Alright. Well, that's it for this episode of Build One More. We appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe if you want to, you know. Stick around for the next one. Y'all, this right here is Craig. He used to work with me here at Automasters. He moved on to a different job, but he still comes by from time to time. He hangs out, chills with us. He said he's about to get rowdy with the old Thunderbird. This is the one we resurrected while he was here. It was sitting out in another shop. He picked it up really cheap. Been driving it for a while.
Thunderbird? More like Thunderbird.
The Thunderbird, I like that. Watch it. Oh, no. maybe.
Dump it and drive.
You can't go out like that, Craig.
Caught on YouTube.
We just called it the Thunderbird. We named it. That's more like it.
From Thunderbird to Thunder Turd.
In the wet. Good job, Craig. You're gonna be in the next video and you don't even know it.
It won't do no burnout.
You gonna launch it in 4 high?
Something came out the back.